Hello, in the previous video I explained the steps of executing a test case using Go. Now in this video I will explain the steps to execute the test case using TestOps for load testing, which was prepared in the previous step. To start the execution, click on the Execute Test Case button. From the pop-up, click on Via TestOps button. Under Via TestOps, click on the API button. It will open the Jenkins in a new tab. As I mentioned earlier, the prepared test case will be auto-created as a new job in the Jenkins. Click on the job name. From the left panel, click on the Configure button. Scroll down and you will find the build. Under that, you will find Execute Windows Batch command. The default parameters will be set to as iterations as 1, virtual users as 1, ramp-up period as 1. You have to edit the parameters as we are performing load testing. So the number of iterations I'm going to give as 2, the virtual users as 3, and the ramp-up period as 1. And click on the Apply button and Save button. Now, again from the left panel, click on the Build Now button. It will start the building progress. Under the build history, you will find the build number. Click on that. Again on the left panel, you will find the console output. Click on it. You can see the building process details. Wait till the building process is completed. Now the building process is completed. Close the Jenkins now. Now go to the folder location where you have saved the project. For that, open the Windows Explorer. Under the torn folder, you will find the web testing folder. Click and open. Under that, you will find API. Under API, TestOps. Under TestOps, you will find demo_torn. Under this demo_torn, you will find a folder name with the same name as the test case name. Under this demo_torn, you will find Newman_reports. Under this folder, you will find the number of result.htmls as per the number of virtual users you had given in the Jenkins. So I'm going to show an example of the first one. In this HTML, you will find the number of iterations, the number of requests that have been sent to the server, and all the APIs that have been recorded in the first step. So the number of iterations is 2, the number of requests are 20, and so that means the per iteration is 10 requests. If I scroll down, you will be able to see all the 20 APIs. This is how you have to execute a test case using TestOps. To post in the next video, I will explain how to analyze the results of the test case which is executed in this step. To post your projects, visit our website TestOnNeed.com. For furthermore assistance, contact us on sales@testonneed.com. Do connect with us on our Twitter and LinkedIn accounts. Stay tuned. Thank you.